Do less, make more. Work less, make more. Sounds kind of like nonsense, doesn't it? Until you consider the fact that sometimes we're doing stuff that doesn't work for us. There's that old saying that says, once you find yourself digging a hole, stop digging. Sometimes the simplest way to free up more free time and to make more money, or at least have more money available to you, is to stop digging. So if you're overspending, stop digging. If you're working on a project that's not paying you, stop digging. If you're working for somebody who undervalues your time and pays you way too little, stop digging. Each week, I invite people on our social media through Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to consider what's one thing they can drop. One activity, one responsibility, one chore, something. It might be something you hate. It might be something you kind of like and it's just not that productive for you. And then I invite them to consider how many hours will that free up and what would you do with that time? And this is the heart of working less and making more. If I have a task that I do 1 day per week that's making me no money, I can just drop that task. That's it. Now, if I work for somebody else, I might not be able to do that. If I'm an entrepreneur, it's easy to say. If I'm an entrepreneur, I can do that. And if I had 2 days worth of things that weren't working for me, I could drop 2 days. And then I could say, one of those days I'm going to take off and just enjoy life. And a second day, I'm going to start working on something that I believe will generate more income or help more people or make more money. So it's a very simple concept. It's not to say you're going to do nothing and make everything. Maybe somebody can do that. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. But I do know there's things I've done before when I tried making iPhone apps and I wasn't very good at it. And I invested 600 plus hours and $18,000 plus dollars. And I made back $150. And that's not profit, that's made back. So I was down like 17,000 and change in 600 hours. I happened to learn a lot of life lessons from that, a lot of business lessons about partnering and working with people. But as far as an outright entrepreneurial venture, dollar-wise, that wasn't so good. I lost about $300 an hour, which, by the way, you want to be earning $300 an hour or more, not losing it. So a lot of the times, it's not about doing something more. You don't always have to hustle more or grind more or do more. Sometimes you just need to stop cutting the lawn with your scissors and get a lawnmower. Sometimes you need to just stop doing something or working with somebody that's getting you no results or not helping you. Sometimes you just need to stop eating junk food or doing something that's taking you in the wrong direction. So this could be something that you consider an addiction, whether that's a mild one like eating too much sugar or a bigger addiction. It might be you say, hey, wait, if it's an addiction, I'm just going to quit it for this week. And next week, I'll see if I can do it again another week. Whatever it is, look to consider what's the one thing you can drop that will free you up, that will liberate you more and make your life better. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. If you need help creating your 4-day workweek game plan, go to 4daygameplan.com. As always, I look forward to helping you make more money and less time doing what you do best. Thanks for listening.